What's up, guys? Welcome to Thumper Fab. Come on in. So this is Thumper Fab. My name is Brittany Smith. I'm the marketing social media manager here. We were established in 2019 and we've grown into something pretty tremendous. So let's take a walk through the shop, show you the most important parts and what we do here. Come on. So a lot of people do not know we are a huge establishment in the great state of Texas, and everything that we do is done under one roof. All the way from the flat piece of metal, all the way down to shipping. So it starts here. We have Deborah. We've got tons and tons of welders, powder coating in-house. Like I said, everything is under one roof. So we have around-the-clock welders. They work 24 hours to get these products quickly, safely, and the right way, right to your door. As you can see, we have tons and tons of products, from suspensions, doors, roof racks, bumpers. The possibilities are endless, and there's so much more in production ready to come for you. This area here is our sandblasting, all the way down to powder coating, all the way down to the oven. So if you want a custom color on one of our cages, accent panels, anything like that, this right here is where the magic happens. Down here, shipping, receiving, bolts, and Rockford Falls Gate audio roofs. As you can hear the music in the background, they're working on tons of audio roofs right now, so we thump exclusive Rockford Falls Gate. Then it comes from there to here. Literally all under one roof, all the way to the shipping door. Right here is R&D. You never know what you're gonna walk in and find here. There's tons of new products coming out. We're testing new products daily. So be on the lookout if you're waiting for something or you wanna see it up close and personal. So this is it. This is Thumper Fab. We were established in 2019. We've grown into something spectacular. So y'all catch me on the podcast tonight, 7 p.m. Trail Addiction officials. It's gonna be a blast. I'll see y'all there.